The Service AdvanceTrac warning on a Ford F-250 often points directly to a misaligned steering angle sensor. Resetting this sensor clears the error and restores your traction control system. This warning triggers when the truck's computer detects the steering wheel position does not match the actual direction of the wheels. This happens frequently after a front-end alignment, suspension work, or installing a lift kit. The AdvanceTrac system relies on this sensor to apply brakes correctly during a slide. To perform a manual reset without a scanner, start by parking on a flat surface. Keep the front wheels perfectly straight. Turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Turn the steering wheel completely to the right until it locks. Hold it there for a few seconds. Turn the wheel completely to the left until it locks. Hold it again. Bring the wheel back to the exact center. Turn the ignition off. Wait a few seconds, then start the truck. The Service AdvanceTrac warning should disappear from the dashboard. If the message remains on the dash, the system requires a digital reset. Plug an OBD2 diagnostic scanner with ABS capabilities into the port under the steering column. Navigate to the ABS or traction control menu. Select the steering angle sensor calibration option and follow the prompts on the screen. A physical sensor failure is also possible. The clock spring behind the steering wheel houses this sensor. If the cruise control or horn stops working alongside the AdvanceTrac warning, the entire clock spring assembly needs replacement.